Ever connected to Wi-Fi on your Windows PC and later forgot the password? What if I told you your computer already knows the password and you can reveal it in just a few seconds? In this video, I'll show you a simple Windows trick that lets you find any Wi-Fi password your PC has saved. No extra software needed. If you find this guide helpful, then please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Now let's dive in. So to find your Wi-Fi password, we are going to use two approaches, the command prompt and then the control panel. So to use the command prompt, you are going to click on the search and then we type CMD. So we are going to run the command prompt with admin privilege. So to do that, I'm going to click on run as administrator. Then I'll click on yes to allow these apps to make changes. So the command we are going to use to grab our Wi-Fi password is netshell space WLAN space show profiles. Okay, so it's going to give me the networks or the Wi-Fi networks I have connected to. Okay, so let's say I want to grab this password for this network, this wireless network. Okay, so I'm going to type this command, netshell space WLAN space show profile and then space name equals the quotation, and then we are going to grab this Wi-Fi name. Okay, so to do that, I'm first going to copy it. Okay, then I'll paste it here. Then I'll bring the quotation and then space key equals clear. Okay, so now we are going to look for key content. Okay, so this is the key content. So the key content reveals the Wi-Fi password for that particular Wi-Fi I am connected to. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so for the command prompt approach, you can use this command to grab your Wi-Fi password if you don't remember. Okay, so now I'm going to take you through control panel approach. So to do that, let me close the command prompt. I'm going to open the control panel by clicking on the search. Then I'll click on the control panel. If you don't have it in the recent, you can still search for that. Okay, and then at the control panel, we are going to click on the network and sharing center. So at the network and sharing center, I'm going to click on the Wi-Fi I'm connected to. Okay, and then we are going to click on the wireless properties. And then at the wireless properties, we are going to click on security. So this is the network security key. So I'm going to click on the show characters. So you see, so this is how to find your Wi-Fi password if you don't remember or if you've forgotten the Wi-Fi password. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. If you find value in this video, then please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.